Welcome Elkanah House to the Kites Class Assembly. Today we're going to be focusing on manipulation versus inspiration. Now, we know that these are pretty big words, so we'll make them more simple for you to understand.
Manipulation, to manage or influence people's feelings, especially in an unfair manner. In other words, to force someone to do something or feel something without them always realizing it.
Inspiration, the process of being mentally stimulated to do or feel something, usually in a positive manner. In other words, encouraging someone to feel or think something new, positive, and exciting.
In our everyday life, it is easy for us to either manipulate or inspire others. We get to decide which way we want to go through life. We choose whether we want to use negative force or positive encouragement.
Take a look at these examples.
This new game is so fun, and anyone who doesn't have this new game is so lame and boring. Anyone who counts and actually matters plays this game, and if you want to be my friend, you have to know about it. This game is so fun, and it's even more fun when all my friends play with me, and I was wondering if I could get all my new friends to play with me.
I got 90% on my math test. It was so easy. Anybody who gets 80% or under is so pathetic and cruddy. It feels really great to know that I worked hard and all my work is paid off on my math test. I would really recommend to anyone to put in the time and effort. It was so worth it.
Think before you speak.
Ask yourself whether you are subtly forcing someone to do something that serves you, or are you positively encouraging them.
Choose inspiration over manipulation.
When you are living the best version of yourself, inspire others to live the best version of themselves. Steve Manabili.
To be inspired is great, but to inspire is an honor.
As soon as you seek to inspire others, it inspires the best in you by Brendan Martin.
Mother Teresa said, "Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier and better." Be the living expression of God's kindness. Kindness in your face, eyes, and smile. Bible verse. Ephesians 4 verse 29 says, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen." Please bow your heads in prayer. Dear God, if I cannot be brilliant, let me be kind. If I cannot change the world, let me inspire just one other to do so. If I cannot give away riches, let me be loving. Let me be known for kindness, for it is the greatest glory. Amen.
Now that we've finished a lesson for your heart, it's time for a lesson on your brains. I have 2 brain busters today, one for the junior primary and one for the senior primary. For the junior primary, what's the end of time and space but the beginning of the end? And for the senior primary, what breaks but never falls, what falls but never breaks. Thank you.
Inspire